Okay, this is it. No turning back. Got the old clear coat. Here I go. Looking good. Says do light coats first, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then reapply. So far, it's looking pretty amazing. I think I found my new occupation. Oh my god, this one looks fucking fabulous. It's better than the other one. Holy shit. Oh wow. Shit might fucking actually work. Sorry about the language. But yeah, now it says wait 5 minutes and then reapply. Do it like 2 to 3 times and then let it sit for 24 hours. I mean, shit, you can already see the difference. I mean, it's still a little hazy. Don't gotta worry about that. It's got like a little orange peel look to it. But another coat will clear that up.